Jason here at Redwater Dodge, home of $10 oil changes, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Rams. I'm going to show you this special lineup of truck that we just got in today. It's a built to serve, celebrating all the people that serve for Canadian military. It's kind of a tribute there, so it's got some neat touches to the truck here that you're going to enjoy. So a very good price point on this truck. 20-inch wheels, comes with a factory tonneau cover on it. If we open up the gas cap here, you got your quick fill serve here, so you can just fill that up really quick. No gas caps needed there. Again, the 20-inch wheels here with a beautiful 5-spoke with some metallic paint and stuff on there to match it up here. So again, a nice truck, comes from factory with the boards as well, so Ram Tough boards on this truck as well. The bright red coloring on it as well. So a beautiful truck. On the built to serve additions here, we got the blacked out grills, blacked out tow hooks on it, the sensors on the front of the truck as well. The Lexon halogen headlights here, so you can take a stone or something like in the front of that and not have to worry about damaging it. The aluminum hoods on the front so they don't rust out when you get rock chips and stuff in there. And again, the tried and true 5.7 liter V8 HEMI motor. And one thing nice Ram's done with these trucks is made it very simple for the people that don't have a lot of automotive experience underneath the hood. Simply look at the yellow maintenance points on this truck and it's pretty self-explanatory. You got your coolant levels here, windshield washer fluid over there, brake fluids like that, your dipsticks marked in yellow as well. Another nice added touch on these trucks is the motor mounts or breakaway. So if you get into a front end collision, not only does it have the crumple zones built into the front of this truck, the airbags, but also the breakaway motor, so it's not going to come into your lap. So some really nice features on this truck for a great price point. Nice style hood on it. Again, really sexy wheels on this truck. The boards, the lights here, comes with the hazard warning on the side, so if you get into a position where there's somebody beside you, it'll let you know inside the truck that there's some traffic beside you. And some other neat features on this truck. Again, the built to serve, the stitching is unique to this. They've got the built to serve on the dash here as well, again to celebrate the people who've served in this military for us. This is a crew cab truck, so you're going to notice lots of space back here. And again, little features that they've done for this truck that are unique to this. Little stitching in the back here, spots to put stuff here as well. And the stitching in the seats, again, a nice touch on this truck. Tonneau cover back here on the back. This truck has the trailer tow package on it, so you get your 4-pin and your 7-pin wiring there. Your receiver hitch there. Again, nice black bumpers here, and then the black tip exhaust to go with that 5.7 liter. Backup camera here, and again, blacked out badging. We'll pop open the tailgate here. Another great, right from the factory, is your factory spray-in Bedliner here. And again, the tonneau cover will roll up if you need the space, or if you need the security, you can leave it down. So built to serve, guys. Again, not only is it a remembrance of the people who served, but the truck is built to serve the owner as well. So it's a beautiful truck here. Again, if you look at the seats and stuff, you're going to see the built to serve in here. And if you look at any of the military stuff that they have going on, these are actually kind of like they're stitching that have Velcro on their sleeves and stuff. So that's how this is all set up. If you've done any military training or any of that kind of stuff, you'll see that. Some really nice features on this truck. It's got the power flip away mirrors, so not only they power, but you can fold the mirrors in as well. The power adjustable pedals, so if you're a little shorter in there, you can adjust the power pedals as well with the seat. So it has a beautiful seat there you can move around. Leather wrapped steering wheel, 8-inch screen on this truck, which is nice. Dual climate control, trailer tow brake here as well. And one of the nice features that I like about on this truck here, it's got the auto mode. So in the winter time when you're driving this truck, you put it in auto mode and it'll come in and out of 4-wheel drive as needed. As well, it has a descent mode on it and an axle lock for the rear diff on this truck. Some other cool features, your cruise control, all your volume adjustments and stuff is built onto the steering wheel, so it makes it really easy to work with. And Ram trucks have done a really nice center console, so you can flip that up here. We've got power points in here. Open it up again, and then you can also slide your cup holders around when needed here. And you can have a little peek inside there, which is really cool. Another cool thing they did with this truck, there's actually a lock box in this truck, so you can put your stuff, your personal stuff, lock it in there and have it protected from theft. On these built to serve trucks, again, no shortage here. You got the 60-40 split bench, so if you have the dog or the cat or whoever in the back, you can use your seating accordingly, whatever you need to be done. This truck comes equipped with the mats as well, so a very good weather mat right from Ram. And then if you flip this up, one of my favorite points is you have your storage compartments in here. I call them my road pop containers. You can put some ice in there or whatever you want to put in there. When you're done, you can dump the ice or water sandwiches, so it makes it really nice and handy for that. So again, guys, beautiful truck. Come check out this new addition here, and come see us at Redwater Dodge. So Redwater Dodge is located a short 35-minute drive north of the city. If you're coming from Edmonton, stop on by. Or if you're coming from Cold Lake or Grand Prairie, any of these places, we're a family-owned business here. We treat you like family. So give us a call at 780-942-3629.